software. All the application software are background process or foreground process. Foreground process. Foreground process. All the application system software are what? Background process. Background process. अच्छा background process are called daemon process. Daemon. Background process are called daemon process. कल तो हम बच्चे में मिस्टर पंडा चेक हम daemon सा running कर करते हैं. Daemon means what? System software. Background process. But question is Java engine. You cannot write system software in Java. You are master in Java, but you cannot write. Operating system cannot permit you to register Java program as a system software. You are master in Python, but you cannot write a system software in Python. You are master in C++, also cannot write system program in C++. System program today also only written in which language? C. But the problem is, very miserable problem. Our university, a big university, which is designing the syllabus, I don't know. In C programming, total 32 chapters.